Start your engines, real estate fans. Want a home that checks off all the boxes and accelerates your lifestyle? Nestled in the bird streets of Wasaga Beach, this home is pit stop perfection. With 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms on the main floor, plus 20-foot ceilings that give you the space to zoom through life, this home is built for those who love both style and comfort. The private loft is like the perfect lap around the track, offering a bright and spacious bedroom with a 3-piece bathroom to cool down after a day of racing through life. The finished basement with 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom is ready for your crew. With proximity to the RecPlex, Superstore, Beaches 5 and 6, and a quick drive to Collingwood and Stayner, you'll be on the fast track to everything you need. This is one real estate race you won't want to miss. Let's make it yours.